Creating a delicious and healthy green smoothie with peanut butter is quick and simple. Here is a step-by-step guide to making this nutritious drink. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, 1 cup of almond milk, or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional, a handful of ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Begin by washing the fresh spinach thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. 2. Peel the ripe banana and cut it into small pieces for easier blending. 3. Measure out 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter. Make sure to use a smooth variety for best results. 4. Pour 1 cup of almond milk into your blender. If you prefer, you can substitute almond milk with cow's milk, oat milk, or soy milk. 5. Add the spinach, banana pieces, and peanut butter to the blender. 6. For added sweetness, you can include a tablespoon of honey, although this is optional based on your preference. 7. Toss in a handful of ice cubes to add a refreshing chill to your smoothie. 8. Secure the lid on the blender and blend on high speed until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the power of your blender. 9. Once blended, taste the smoothie. If you feel it needs more sweetness or a thinner consistency, you can add more honey or milk. 10. Pour the smoothie into a glass and serve immediately for the best taste and nutritional benefit. Enjoy your creamy, nutrient-packed green smoothie with peanut butter as a healthy breakfast option or a post-workout snack. The combination of spinach and peanut butter provides a good balance of protein, fats, and essential vitamins, making this smoothie not only tasty, but also highly nourishing.